Hey Jerry, I have another question for you.
Another car question?
Another car question for sure.
I love your car questions.
Okay, so what's the second worst thing that can happen with your vehicle on a cold day in Texas here in winter?
Before I even begin to answer that, what are we going to do?
Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share these videos with your friends.
And more importantly, bring us your cars.
There you go. Okay, so what's
the question?
What's the second worst thing? Okay, so the battery not charging, I should say a weak battery, so your car doesn't start. That's the worst thing.
That's a bad thing to happen.
That's a bad thing to happen.
Unless you have ice cream and you keep it cold.
Okay, so the second worst thing that would happen in winter in Texas in your car is...
Well, when you're driving along and the inside of the windshield starts fogging up and you get this sweet smell in the air. And if you're really unlucky, you touch the passenger floorboard and it's soaking wet with this oily, slick chemical.
Don't taste it. Don't eat it.
It's bad for you.
No.
Because usually that means that your heater core is got a leak in it.
No heat in the vehicle.
This is, well, you can still have heat.
Oh.
Until all of the coolant runs out and then you can melt the engine.
Oh,
bad
that's
idea.
Bad.
Okay?
Oh,
so,
that's bad.
So seriously, this is what a heater core looks like today. And as you can see, it looks like a mini radiator. People are going like, how do I know what a radiator looks like? Hold that thought. I'll have it for you in a moment.
I'll hold this. Heater core.
Well, what happens with the heater core before you take it?
Good
help can be so hard to find.
Show us the radiator.
In the next video.
I think you're going to show it now.
She's jumping the gun again, as usual. Stop it.
Yep.
Okay, so what we know is when this thing starts to leak, it will have the fluid all over the inside of the windshield. Very hard to clean off, by the way. And then the coolant will leak out of the heater box and it will go all over your carpet. So this is not a good thing. Some cars you must remove the entire dash to get these in.
How do you know that this is going bad?
It leaks.
Oh,
that's the only way.
Wow, okay. Check for leaks.
It leaks.
Don't ignore a leak.
Yeah, it's not going to fix itself.
Yeah.
And the whole wives' tale about putting things in the radiator, that's really bad to do. You will cause more internal engine damage than you want to pay for, I promise you. If it's got a leak, let's bring it in and fix it properly and be done with the problem. This way you don't destroy your engine by filling up the holes that are supposed to be open. Okay? Yeah. That's a real deal.
That's a good point. All right, so bring us your cars. You can schedule an appointment at www.theautoshop.com or give us a call
at 972-578-0588. That's Dr. Laura.
That's Jerry Kazaya.
And
we're sponsored by The Auto Shop.
Where?
The Auto Shop.
The Auto Shop.
And only in Plano, Texas. So subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and watch all our videos.
Bring us your cars.
Some of them are actually funny.
Yeah, not this one.
All right, see you next time.
See ya.